Hello everyone and welcome back to Shulitech classes. In data modeling stage of AI project cycle, we have already discussed about different types of machine learning algorithms. And in today's video, we are going to understand how decision tree algorithm works with the help of an example. So without any further ado, let's start the video. If you find this video helpful, please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Your support motivates us to keep this channel running. A decision tree is a flow chart like tree structure where each internal node denotes the feature, branches denotes the rules, and the leaf node denotes the result of the algorithm. In a decision tree, there are two types of nodes, the decision nodes and the leaf nodes. Decision nodes are used to make any decision and have multiple branches. These branches provide different alternatives for the decisions, whereas leaf nodes are the output of these decisions and do not contain any further branches. Now, let's discuss the important terminology of decision tree. Root node is at the beginning of a tree. It represents the entire population being analyzed, and this further gets divided into two or more homogeneous sets. Splitting is the process of dividing the node into subnodes. If a subnode is further divided into subnodes, then it is called decision node, and the nodes that do not split are called the leaf nodes or the terminal nodes. Decision tree algorithm can be used in many sectors like medical field or educational sector or banking sector, or it can be applied in many other sectors also. Now let's see how a decision tree algorithm works with the help of an example. In this example, we will create a decision tree which can decide if an elephant is spotted in a safari or not. And to train this model, we are going to use this historical data. This data tells us in which situation the elephant was spotted in the past and in which situations the elephant was not spotted. Here the spotting of the elephant depends on four parameters: outlook, temperature, humidity and wind. For example, if we analyze the first record, then it tells us that when the outlook was sunny, temperature was hot, humidity was high and wind was weak, then in that case, elephant was not spotted. And if we analyze the third record, then we will find that when the outlook was overcast, temperature was hot, humidity was high and wind was strong, then in that case elephant was spotted. First of all, we will try to find out the parameter on which the entire data can be analyzed. So here outlook will work as the root parameter, right? Now outlook can be sunny, overcast or rainy. Now let us see the values of other parameters in these three situations. By carefully observing this data, we will find that the value of elephant spot is always yes when outlook is overcast. Means the elephant is always spotted when the outlook is overcast, right? Now let's analyze data for sunny outlook. Here in this case, when the humidity is high, then the elephant spot is no, and when the humidity is normal, then elephant spot is yes. Means in case of sunny overcast, decision depends on the humidity. If the humidity is high, then final output is no, and if it is normal, then the final output is yes. Now let's analyze data for rainy outlook. Here if the wind is weak, then elephant is spotted. But if the wind is strong, then elephant is not spotted. Means here the final outlook depends on the wind condition. If it is weak, then final output is yes, and if it is strong, then final output is no. So in this way we got the final decision tree. Now if we test this decision tree, for any particular situation, like if our testing data is outlook is overcast, temperature is normal, humidity is normal, and wind is weak, and we want to know that in this situation elephant spot is yes or no, then by carefully observing the decision tree model, we will notice that if the outlook is overcast, then elephant is always spotted. So here the prediction is yes, the elephant will be spotted, right? So in today's video, we have learnt about how decision tree algorithm works. I hope this video have been useful to you. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.